Hi, this is Jay from Life RX Wellness, and welcome in our Patreon channel in our Postural Detective Show, where we identify the issue and problem with the human body and try to heal it. If you're a professional manual therapist, if you want to learn something new, something very helpful to people, help them to heal, help them to move, this is channel for you. And if you are a supporter, I very appreciate it, and I bow to you to support our channel. And because it's important, if you support me, I'm gonna go learn more and share this information with you. I've been doing this for 20 years and practice for 20 years. So a lot of good stuff up there right now. With all this AI, with all this technology, it just shows up very different approach right now in manual therapy and massage therapy. And this is the beautiful. This is what I want to share it with you. So if you on our channel, welcome. And what are we going to do now? Every time someone joins to our channel, we're gonna put the name right in here on that flower, and they're gonna stick on the wall. So I hope this wall is gonna be all in flowers and that look like a sun, because in this very hard, difficult time right now for our planet, for humanity, we need to put together. We need to get our sharp our mind. I would say sharp our humanity, become more human and help people who need help. And that's our mission in this channel. And also to create this healthy community, because it's so much information up there, and sometimes it's anger information, mad information, or just a false information. In this channel, we filter information. We need to filter it and put it for your ears. Also, we would like to talk to you. We would like to create some comments, discussions, topics, do some live TV or podcast. This is our mission. And let's be friendly to each other. If you do some different approach in massage therapy or manual therapy, do not push it. Do not create that conflict between us, because I see like people different approach, different, and they become like push and become angry. So this channel is kind of neutralize all this different approach, different techniques. So here we have become a professional, an expert in manual therapy. If it's new to therapy, join our channel, bring some more people. Let's build this healthy community for this planet and for this humanity. This is what we're doing here. Welcome to Life RX Patreon channel. And like I said, I'm starting doing this today. I hope we're gonna put all that wall with those names. Welcome to the channel. We'll see you.